You gotta have dessert, right? What I've done is I've creamed some butter, and now what I'm gonna do is take some brown sugar. And then we're gonna work the sugar into the butter. Then, while that's working, we're gonna sift some flour, cocoa powder, a little pinch of salt, baking powder. See, that's why you sift. You know, there's that wise tale that you sift because there may be some creatures or something in there, you know? That's why you sift, because of all those little lumps. You don't want that. Now, what we're gonna do, once that's creamed, we're gonna add 1 egg and our second egg. We're gonna add a little bit of vanilla. Add a little more vanilla. We're at a vanilla sale today. Okay, now what we're gonna do is once that gets mixed in, you wanna scrape down the sides to prevent any lumps. No, it wasn't double vanilla. One was vanilla, one was a little molasses. Get that little molasses taste? Oh yeah, babe. All right, so now we're gonna have that. Now, that's incorporated, no lumps. Now I want to add the dry ingredients. Turn the mixer off. What did these poor girls do? They didn't do anything to me. I don't want to go in there, add, you know. So, we're just going to add all the dry ingredients in here. And then what we're going to do, real slow.
Yeah. Right. Take it easy. Take it easy.
And then, for this cake, what's absolutely between that little taste of the molasses, what also gives it this great taste is buttermilk, okay? So now we're gonna add some buttermilk in here. Oh, yeah, babe. All right, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna incorporate that in a little cake pan square. I buttered it, then I dusted it with cocoa powder. Gonna add the butter in here, 350 degrees. It's kind of like a pound cake. Somebody was recognizing that. 350 degrees, we want to bake that cake for about 50 minutes. Don't be sticking any toothpicks in it. Let it cool. That's why these racks are called cooling racks. So that the air can flow out of them. You want to let them cool, and then we'll invert it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, babe. Now, so I made a caramel. And I figured if that wouldn't work, booze maybe would. And I got some pecans in this caramel. We'll add just a little bit of cream to this and see. I'm working it, folks. I'm trying.
If he doesn't sing, I will.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Now that I got this sort of pecan caramel bourbon kind of thing, what we'll do is this. We'll just take a little slice of this. Okay? A little slice of this on the plate. That ain't gonna do it.
Uh-oh.
So,
What we got? Oh.
that's when in doubt, you go get some homemade vanilla ice cream, right? And you kind of get the ice cream, and then you kind of get, well, some sliced pears, you know, just a little bit. Get the caramel with that pecan, do a little of that, have a bite of that.